Welcome to Tech Support Digital. Today I will show how to create full width slider using Divi theme. Please check, we are using Divi theme. So now first I go to page for create a new page. So now give a page name or menu name. For example, I write here full width slider. Then click in use the Divi builder. After click Divi builder, click here plus icon, add new section, follow it. After that click here follow it slider. Okay, so now I am here adding new slide. You can place slide text here. Suppose I just write down here slide 1, go down, click background, gradient, image. I just add a background image. For example, I just check this upload image, then click the tick mark. Okay, done. You can add more slide, new slide, slide 2, background image, add background image, upload image, tick mark. I will add another slide, text, slide 3, background image, add background image. Now add this, upload, tick mark, save change, then click here in published button. Yes, my full width slider is already created, and here is page published. Now check how it looks our full width slider. My internet is slow, so that it checking sometimes to display the slide. Yes, text slide 1, full width slider is created. Okay, you can click here to. Yes, fantastic. So I think you can use full width slider easily by Divi theme. Thanks for watch this video. Bye bye.